Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the brightness in Pragmata. Let's start by opening the Options menu. From here, navigate to Display. Here under Brightness you may adjust many different settings. There is the minimum brightness, which you can adjust by changing this slider. Of course, I will set it as I had it before, because I had it actually quite well adjusted. Max brightness and overall brightness. So, as you can see. And once you are done, you can press the back button. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.